Hey there! Well, it's the end of the year and we made it. I'm proud of you. And I just wanted to drop in to tell you that I am taking a short break from Draw Tip Tuesday videos, just a couple weeks, and I will be back soon because I will be away and recharging, relaxing, and of course, drawing a lot. I'll come back with ideas and inspiration because I am very committed to keep helping you to sustain your creative habit, to do your daily drawings, your regular drawings, and to keep becoming the artist that you want to be, or actually to keep being the artist that you already are and to keep developing as the artist that you are. I just really want to keep motivating you to draw and have that joy that drawing can bring in your life. In the meantime, maybe you can watch some of the videos that I put in a playlist for you. And if you need an assignment, well, here it is. Grab your sketchbook right now and a favorite pen and go draw anything, because you know that everything is interesting as soon as you start drawing it, right? Have fun these last days of the year, and I wish you a very happy new year. And we'll see each other very soon. Now go draw something. Bye.